Channel name, Motor Cars Reviews. Introduction. Welcome to Motor Cars Reviews, where we focus on the vehicles that move the masses. Today, we're not discussing a supercar or a luxury SUV, but a legend of the road that has powered millions of dreams, the Hero Splendor Plus. This is the story of a motorcycle that has become synonymous with reliability and value in India and beyond. The unbeatable value proposition. The core appeal of the Hero Splendor Plus lies in its incredible value. It offers a straightforward, no-frills package at an accessible price point. But the value extends far beyond the initial purchase. The Splendor Plus is renowned for its exceptional fuel efficiency, consistently delivering mileage figures that make it one of the most economical commutes on the planet. This low cost of ownership is a primary reason for its enduring popularity, especially for daily commuters and budget-conscious riders. Reliability and low maintenance. Owning a Hero Splendor Plus is a lesson in hassle-free motoring. Its engineering is simple, proven, and time-tested over decades. The engine and components are built to withstand the rigors of daily use with minimal fuss. This translates into a motorcycle that is incredibly reliable and cheap to maintain. Spare parts are readily available and affordable, making it a practical choice for the long haul. It's the trusted companion that starts every morning, no matter what. Performance and riding experience. Don't expect explosive power. The Splendor Plus is designed for a different purpose. Its 97.2 cubic centimeters engine provides adequate power for city commuting, with a smooth and predictable power delivery. The riding position is upright and comfortable, making it ideal for navigating through traffic and for longer rides without strain. The lightweight and easy handling make it incredibly user-friendly, perfect for new riders and experienced commuters alike. Design and features. The design of the Hero Splendor Plus is classic and functional. It avoids flashy graphics or aggressive styling, opting instead for a clean, timeless look that appeals to a wide audience. In terms of features, it remains purposefully basic. You get what you need for a safe and efficient ride, without any complex electronics. Recent